I love to have this waterless diffuser at home. So first, no water, and second, it's super easy to use, and it has the ability of doing 2 scents, not at the same time, but you can switch before scents. And obviously you need to charge it. Here is the charger, here are the instructions, super easy to do. And what you want to do is you want to remove one of the bottles to put your essential oil. Make sure it's properly tied after you finish adding the oils, because if not, it's going to have some leaks. And then you can also put it not only in your living room, but you can put it in your car, you can put it in your gym at home, you can put it in the laundry room, and it has up to 8 hours. So if you want the house constantly smelling good, then Airversa is the one for you. This was a free sample by the brand, but I love it.